Hey guys, it is 15th of April 2015, and this is one of my daily videos. I think I found the source of the buzzing that may be annoying you when I do these videos. It was actually a fan that I have under this really old notebook laptop that it'll overheat and then it'll die on me randomly. So I think it was just that fan. I'm sorry. This video is brought to you by that fan that I'm not using while I record these videos. So I'm going to try to keep it brief so the computer doesn't die on me when I do this. So, what I wanted to talk about today, that's something I'm going to do better, improve myself than I was yesterday, is that I had an interesting conversation in my day job with a coworker, and we were talking about genealogy and how people are made up and who we really are. And I told her my background, that I am, I'm Japanese, Spaniard, Cuban, Honduran, and add a dash of Russian, and that's who I am, and where her genetic makeup and stuff like that. But we got really into it, and she mentioned something that I always wanted to do, and what I wanted to do is to have a genetic testing to know exactly who I am, because when you look at me, I look a lot of different things, but mostly people kind of confuse me for being Samoan or Polynesian, which is pretty cool. But I honestly don't look like anybody else in my family, and maybe a recessive gene, but I like to know that for sure. So she recommended a couple things. I'm doing research on knowing exactly who I am, because the only way you can know kind of where you're going and some of the things you want to improve or know your tendencies is to know what you're genetically inclined to. So that's one of the things I am actually personally going to research. Ladies and gentlemen, I apologize if I'm talking a little bit fast, but I'm nervous if this computer doesn't die on me at any given point. So I am really sorry about that. Look at the beard, look at the beard, look at the beard, look at the beard. Sorry. Vanity moment. I will do it again, maybe. But anyway, I believe in improving it myself and knowing who I am. And one of the things about improving yourself is knowing your body, like checking yourself to the genetic level, even to the physical level. So I implore you, before the next time I do another video, if you are a fan of this, please like, share, subscribe, do what you will. However, I do implore you, help on yourself, check on your medical history, see if anything that you need to check up on, because the healthier you are, the better you do things in your life, the better you are in general. So I do that implore, and if you want to do the genetic testing, I will find out the information, and maybe in my next video I will talk about that in general and the research that I have found. But until the next time, keep on smiling and be a better person than you were yesterday.